Here's a detailed recipe for making delicious homemade potato snacks, specifically crispy potato wedges. They're easy to prepare and perfect as a snack or side dish. Ingredients: 4 large russet potatoes or your choice of potatoes, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika or regular paprika, 1 teaspoon dried oregano or any herb of your choice, salt and pepper to taste. Optional grated Parmesan cheese for topping. Optional fresh herbs for garnish like parsley or chives. Equipment: large baking sheet, parchment paper, optional, mixing bowl, knife and cutting board, large pot if parboiling, spatula or tongs. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the potatoes. First, wash and scrub the potatoes thoroughly to remove any dirt. You can leave the skin on for extra texture and nutrients. Next, cut each potato in half lengthwise, then each half into 3 to 4 wedges, depending on your desired thickness. Aim for uniform sizes to ensure even cooking. Step 2. Optional parboiling. Parboiling helps achieve extra crispy wedges. First, boil water. Fill a large pot with water and bring it to a boil. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt. Now, it's time to parboil. Add the potato wedges to the boiling water and let them cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. They should be slightly tender, but not fully cooked. Next, drain and dry. Drain the wedges and let them cool for a few minutes. Pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. Removing excess moisture helps them get crispy. Step 3. Season the wedges. In a large mixing bowl, combine the olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Add the potato wedges to the bowl and toss until they are evenly coated with the oil and seasoning mixture. Step 4. Bake. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Line a large baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup if you like. Spread the seasoned potato wedges in a single layer on the sheet, ensuring they are not overcrowded for even cooking. Bake in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, flipping the wedges halfway through until they are golden brown and crispy. Step 5. Serve. If desired, sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese over the wedges during the last 5 minutes of baking for added flavor. Once done, remove from the oven and sprinkle with fresh herbs if using. Serve warm with your favorite dipping sauces like ketchup, ranch dressing, or aioli. Tips for success. Feel free to get creative with your seasoning. Try adding cayenne pepper for heat or Italian seasoning for a different flavor. Leftover wedges can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Reheat in the oven to retain crispiness. Serve these wedges as a side dish with burgers or as part of a platter with other snacks. Enjoy your homemade crispy potato wedges. They're sure to be a hit.